Hello, I am Dr. Vishwanath Bite. Working title of my play is Love for the Land. This is the story of poor farmer Balram who tries to save his land from the clutches of a moneylender. Many friends of mine suggested me to write this play in Marathi because of the kind of story I am telling and its rural background. But my point is that when I was working on my doctoral dissertation on Indian English drama, I realized the fact that very few playwrights have tried to depict rural life in Indian English drama. And I sincerely feel that problems of farmers at all levels must be addressed. And here is my sincere effort. The scene which we are going to see now, in that scene, Balram goes to a local moneylender to get some money for cultivating his land. And he gets some money, but let us see at what cost.
हनुमाना सर्वज्ञ सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा असत्मा के घटत पातो नश्यावशो नमस्तुते। हनुमाना सर्वज्ञ सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा असत्मा के घटत पातो नश्यावशो नमस्तुते। हनुमाना सर्वज्ञ सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा असत्मा के घटत पातो नश्यावशो नमस्तुते। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
राम राम काका।
जय श्री राम,
राम राम काका।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम,
राम राम काका।
जय श्री राम।
What, Balram? Kaka, I needed some money, Kaka.
Again?
Kaka, last year there were no rains, Kaka. No harvest. Life had really become miserable for us, Kaka. Somehow we managed to eat 2 times roti, Kaka. Kaka, but this time I needed for cultivation of land.
How much do you want?
Kaka, I want only 5,000.
Have some tea, don't worry. I'll give you money. So, I heard your son is going to an English medium soon.
Yes, Kaka. I don't want him to continue to be a farmer like me. I want him to go to city. I want him to study.
That's the purpose. City life. And after all, your son's life depends on it, isn't it? And you know what? What's to do with farming? Who is doing farming these days? Do you tell me? People are selling their land and they're going to the city. Isn't it?
Yes, Kaka. You know, Kaka, that is the reason. That is the reason I want my son to be a doctor. Be a big man. A big man like you, Kaka.
Balram. Sign here.
Oh.
Tukaram. Here. Take them.
Kaka, you're so generous, Kaka. Kaka, you're God, Kaka. You are so kind.
Don't bother.
I promise to return it soon, Kaka.
Don't worry. Send your son. Don't worry. Take the money. You need anything else, please let me know, okay? Go.
You're so kind, Kaka. Thank you so much, Kaka.
God bless you. Go. Wait, Balram. I've forgotten something. I've gone senile with age. Wait. Got to give you some prasad. And here, give this to Suman. And this to your son. Okay?
You're so kind, Kaka.
Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you so much,
Jai
Kaka.
Shri Ram. And one more thing, huh? Don't forget to set that paper, huh?
Paper, Kaka?
Land's paper. I'll keep it as a mortgage.
Kaka, land? Kaka, that is the only land I have. That is the only source of my income, Kaka.
Arey Baba, you return the money and take the paper, no? What is the worry?
No,
What?
Kaka,
Come, bring the land paper, okay?
Kaka,
What?